Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So I am so happy to see this because Cardano is completely and the profit, as you can see, my friend, this time the Cardano profit. So exactly the change across last 24 hours, 6.14%. The price is increased now, and I'm so happy to see here the last 1 hour. As you can see here, 2.21%. The price is increased now. So congratulations, my brothers, from last I think 48 hours ago, my friends, to this coin is starting for now. It's been, my brothers, to 2 days ago the coin is starting moving upward now, and it's a very massive jump because after a very long time this coin is starting moving upward now, especially from last 1 month. As you can see, my friends, last 7 days change occur will be negative now. So this is the reason, my friend, why they fails down. Absolutely, in this month all currencies will wake up and move upward, but my friend, at the middle of month all currencies is very badly fails down. So therefore, as you can see, my friend, this time the last 7 days, so minus 13%, this coin fails down. But congratulations to the last days, my friend, of this month. The coin is starting moving upward now, so you need to hold it. My brother, what's my opinion, what's the prediction? Absolutely, I will predicate this coin. But kindly, before I get started this video, please subscribe this channel on, and yes, press a subscribe and press the bell icon for videos and notification. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like video. So as you can see, my friend, this time the chart results. So this time this chart is completely showing, my brother, to the change occur will be positive now, and exactly, my friend, the future will be bright now. It's mean, my best, to upcoming times they will moving upward now. Remember, to after affairs they will take a very huge jump now. So exactly, as you can see, my friend, they're starting moving upward now. Absolutely, if you remember the last 1 hour chart, so exactly this coin is change occur will be positive now. So therefore, I know to upcoming time they will moving upward very fastly, and absolutely they will hit this line. So if they will hit, so it's mean to they will touch the highest point, and they will touch the 1.5 USD dollars, 1.5 USD dollar. It's mean to they will again recover his loss, my brother, and upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. So let's see, my brother, what they do. But my prediction is going to be positive now, and I will tell you to they will move upward. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. Please kindly subscribe this channel and remember to press the bell icon for videos notification, and don't forget to like video. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.